Now we go to section 8.1, that is about the angles of a triangle. Then we go to example 1. Now the question asks us, to find the x in each of the following figures. So in this figure we can see that x is here, and here is a triangle BEC. So we need to use the properties about the angles of a triangle, and we can see it is given that there's two angles, 55 degrees and 120 degrees. Actually, is there any angles that we can find? Yes. By the property about a straight line, actually we can find the angle EBC. What is this property? Is that all the angles on a straight line, the sum of that should be equal to 180. So angle EBC at 120 degrees, it should be equal to 180. But we need to know the reason. The reason that is the angles on a straight line. So by using this property, we can find that angle EBC will be equal to 60 degrees. And the angle X, actually, this one is an external angle of a triangle. So what is the properties about an external angle of a triangle? That it should be equal to the sum of the two other interior angles. That is the angle BED. And what did we find? That is the angle EBC. And that is the properties of external angle of triangle. So that it should be equal to 55 degrees plus the 60 degrees. So lastly, we can find that x is equal to 115 degrees. And this one is related to the external angle of a triangle.